In this video, I'm going to show you how to do deep research with ZAI, which is a completely free AI to use for image generation, AI slide presentation generation, full stack generation, magic design, writing computer codes, and many other things like even image generation. So over here, we're going to learn how to do deep research. So you can select on deep research here, and you can see some sample prompts that you can put in to generate the deep research that you're looking for. For example, analyze the recent industry trends in global designer toy market using the explosive popularity of pop and other details. Over here also you can say reports on how generative AI is disrupting knowledge production in the fields of medicine, law, and economics. We can use this as well, and let's see what it's going to generate for us. So let's just give it some seconds while it goes on with the searches and checking, and then maybe later on we can see the results of a deep research in terms of what it has generated for us. All right, and take a look at what it has generated after a series of thinking, clicking of a lot of links, and then it starts the write-up eventually. See the descriptive impact of generative AI on future knowledge production paradigm. You can see the categories, and what I like the most about this is the inclusion of the references that you can see at each of the paragraphs. It is captured the references that it has used that you can easily click to have an understanding or to take you to that particular site where you found this information. Now down here you can see it even included a tabulated result which you can copy and share with anybody as well. And then over here you can still see the arrangement, the details of the content, the referencing, and everything that it has captured is well detailed. This is really deep research, and at the end of it all, it gives us a full reference list of all what it has used in the write-up. You can see the content and you can easily click to access those links directly. So this is really wonderful and next level. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.